This dress has been packed away for 42 years, holding so many memories, but today I'm giving it a new life. Before I transformed it, I had a very special photo shoot with my granddaughter.
3, 2, 1.
First, I asked my granddaughter what her vision was for the dress, and she said, "Big tulips." I carefully measured and cut the fabric. It was a little nerve-wracking, but I knew this was going to be special. I started the alterations. I'm not a seamstress, so don't look too closely. To make the dress extra magical, we hand painted the delicate floral designs on the bridal hat. Hi, I'm Jacqueline. Welcome to my channel. Once we finished painting the bridal hat, my granddaughter wanted to use her creativity and paint the shortened veil.
You know what I like to do? I like to just do random strokes. Because look at the texture. Look how it ends up. Because I don't want it to look painted. I want it to look like not too fancy.
Now it was time to paint the dress. By the way, I'm using DIY chalk paint with DIY crystal chandelier and water. This was such a meaningful project, blending the past with the present in a way I never imagined. Would you ever upcycle a sentimental dress? Let me know in the comments. We had the pleasure of going to high tea at the Royal Botanical Gardens in Burlington, Ontario during their Alice in Bloomland event. Such a treat and perfect backdrop to showcase her new dress. Her joy makes every stitch worth it. Stay tuned for pictures of the photo shoot.